take my love for granted.
Okay.
Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out.
Hey guys, so my podcast, Just Say It by Favor Ojika, is now available on all your podcasting platforms. Please check the description box below for more information. Hey guys, so the first thing I want to do is to just go and take a shower real quick, and then from there I'll be going for my appointment. My appointment is exactly in 1 hour, so I'm just going to shower real quick. I've had this thing on my face for a little bit, so I will just go ahead, massage it all the way through, take a shower, wash my liners, and just get ready for this appointment. I'm pretty excited. So guys, you guys come with me, okay?
You take my love for granted.
Get the entire view. The entire view. Wow. Oh my God. Wow.
It feels so good.
I see the entire Minneapolis here. Oh my God. Oh my Jesus.
I feel like I'm, reawakened.
You'll be awakened.
You take my love for granted.
This is actually beautiful.
Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah.
Yeah.
I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted.
Sure.
No, I look like a house girl.
I look like a house girl.
No, you
So
don't.
what the hell?
You look like a pretty house girl. With brown pants, eh? Wearing brown pants. Why are you wearing brown pants? Look at her with a yash. How?
Leave me, dear.
Oh!
We keep on talking from body
Oh, the
to
sunset,
body,
man. It's so
yeah.
pretty. Yeah. Come and stand here. Let me ask you
Just be
something.
nothing else.
No.
Wait, what's not you right now? Get in there to yourself. Wow, look at the Look at you. A cutie.
With the sound of my face. Oh my God. Please
Beautiful.
show
I mean, we are. Wow. The view. The view. Looking at the view. You see, you are the view. Looking at the view.
Girl.
You are always the view.
I am the prize.
You are always the prize.
I am the prize.
You are the prize. Look at this prize. Look at this prize. Look at this prize. Hey, the prize. The prize. Okay, the other way is better. The lighting. Oh my God. The view.
I am the view.
Wow.
Coming out once in a while, I just sit down here.
I'm telling you, just feeling alive. Like, hey, I can let my hair down.
You take my love for granted.
So you want to take the stairs?
No.
Six flights of stairs?
No. I just said you're taking this. I just did a question.
Right.
Take her
It's proper. But what's crazy to me is that there's no like stickers on here that says this is 6 feet apart. Because I could be 4 people.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. Even in residential places I've seen that.
Not here. You don't pay.
You don't pay. Alright. That's a lie. That's a lie. AKA your management doesn't care enough. That's what it matters.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
Get out of here. You wouldn't even be living here no more.
Exactly. So hi guys, I'm helping this human being do his hair. Pretty much all of you that
Can you be gentle, please?
I'm gentle. Don't
Oh my
see.
God.
Come. Don't stress me.
Oh no.
That's the reason why I put water. You think if I don't put water?
Oh my gosh.
Imagine the difference. Come. Is this how you're going to be shouting? Come on, be a man.
Okay.
Come on, be a man.
Can I come be, please?
No, I'm combing it by myself. Are you the hairstylist? second. I cannot catch your hair. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the RALENO Softbox that I got from Amazon, and I want you guys to just basically come with me and see, you know, how I'm going to be unboxing it, because I honestly don't know what I'm doing. And basically when I got the softboxes, it's just to, you know, contain the light while I'm shooting. I'll just stop talking now and just go ahead and start unboxing that particular softbox. However, please, as you are, you know, watching this video, go ahead and give this video a very huge thumbs up and also share it with your friends. But for the most part, let's just get right into this video. I'm actually tired of talking, so let's just go right into the video, okay?
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. I said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know.
Test the softbox out. I'll connect it to, I'll just plug it in and see how it goes, or see how it works. Ah, there we go. So I'm going to put off the lights because I'm guessing everything is super bright now. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to set up the second one off camera, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what the softboxes look with the ring light and what they look like without the ring light. So you guys stay tuned. I'll be right back. So guys, welcome back. So I'm going to show you like a very quick demo with I'll show you a very quick demo with the soft boxes and without the soft boxes. So I'll put these two things off, and that's what it looks like without the soft boxes. Right now I'm just using the ring light. I'm actually going to increase this a little bit. So this is what it looks like with the ring light, and then with the ring light and the soft boxes. Ooh, I know that was like bright for like a second. This is what the picture looks like. So just go ahead and, you know, tell me in the comment section what you think is better. Do you think the soft boxes and the ring light is better? Actually, let me try one last thing. So I'm going to go ahead and put off the ring light, and we'll just have the soft boxes. So you guys tell me what you think. Do you think it's better with the ring light and the soft boxes, or just the soft boxes without the ring light, or just the ring lights? I hope I did that mathematics right, but just go ahead and tell me what you like better. I think I like the ring light and the soft boxes, because it gives me like, you know, it makes the video a little bit sharper, if that is even an English word. I meant a little bit sharp. It makes it more sharp. Yes, English is not my first language, so please bear with me. Anyway, we've come to the end of this video. Please let me know if you liked this video by giving it a thumbs up, please. But with the love of God, just go ahead and leave your comments on the video. Help me grow my channel. I feel like I actually like the soft boxes because, like I said, it makes my video very sharp, and it was pretty easy to install, so it wasn't too much of a big deal. So please guys, go ahead and leave your comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye. Mwah. Bye. God forgive you, Tochiko. And also, don't be stingy. Share this video with your friends, okay?